Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can factory reset your PS5. So for example, if you want to sell your PS5, you can do that and no personal information or games will be on that PS5, just on default like just you bought, right? And to do that, super easy and fast. So you need to go to settings, then you need to go to system, then if you want to, you can back up your files. So you need to press backup, then you need to plug your external hard drive and then back up your PS5, right? For me it's not connected, so as you can see here I'm getting error. And for example, if you get the new basically PS5, you can then restore your files by pressing that and plugging the your hard drive. And if you don't have a hard drive, what you can do here, you can go to here, save data and game settings app, and you can back up your files on cloud storage here. But you need to have a PlayStation Plus for that. And if you don't worry about, for example, if you don't care about your files and you want to just do not back up and then just factory reset, it's super easy to do that. You need to just go to system, then you need to go to system software, then you need to, on the bottom you should see reset options here, and you just need to press reset your console. And as you can see here, all users and all data will be deleted, console sharing and offline play will be disabled for all users on PS5. So all the data will be deleted from your PS5 and then you can sell them. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.